Dated 15/12/2022, Labour Party set up Security, Peace and Conflict Resolution Committee. Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. This media briefing this afternoon is to acquaint you with certain development within the party in the last couple of days. You are quite aware of the recent media report regarding the issue that led to the relieving of our youth leader, Comrade Anselm Eragbe, and the purported sacking of Dr. Doyin Okunkwe, the DG Campaign Council, and our former acting publicity secretary, Mr. Abayomi Arabambi, of his duties, and the subsequent suspension of the Ogun State executive of the party. You will also recall that the National Executive Committee, NWC, had in a communique issued after its meeting to announce the aforementioned action promised to set up a disciplinary committee to investigate the activities of the Ogun State ESCO and recommend to the National Working Committee the appropriate further disciplinary action to be taken against the Labour Party executive in Ogun State. However, the National Working Committee has rather set up a disciplinary committee to look into only the case of Ogun State ESCO, which they deemed fit after consultation. They also now set up a Labour Party Security, Peace and Conflict Resolution Committee to handle every aggrieved member's issue and give solutions and recommendations to the party. The committee of 11 eminent Nigerians who are members is to be headed by Chief Friday Toyin Ibadan as chairman, and other members are as follows: General Enyang Esen, retired, member; AIG Charles Ogumo, retired; AIG Ezekiel Zhang, retired, as members; ACG Akumbiron Walter Chika is also a member; ACG Ali Wakili is a member; Mr. Obol Patrick Okomiso, member; Mr. Samuel Emma is also a member; SP Ego Sele Esimo, member; Mrs. Comfort Okoronko, member; Dr. Kenneth O. DUK, who will serve as the secretary of the committee. With a single term of reference to reconcile all aggrieved members within the aim of a common front to win the 2023 general election and have Peter Gregory Obi and Deti Baba Ahmed becoming the president and the vice president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria come 2023. This is the update arising from the last decision of the National Working Committee regarding the suspension of the Ogun State ESCO and the sacking of the former acting publicity secretary of the party, and we feel it is necessary to brief you as partners in the quest of rescuing and repositioning Nigeria. It is our sincere hope that all concerned will respect this peaceful reconciliation call and join hands with the Labour Party, Peter Obi and Deti Baba Ahmed in taking Nigeria back for the Nigerian people. The Labour Party is one big family and the fastest growing political party in Africa, and as such, minor internal conflict and misunderstandings such as witnessed in the recent past cannot be ruled out. The purpose of this committee, therefore, is to ensure that peaceful resolution of all the grievances and further strengthen, promote the unity of our great party towards achieving the goal and task ahead of us come 2023. The committee is expected to start receiving interested aggrieved party members' memoir immediately and will conclude within the shortest period of time. It is therefore our humble appeal to all our members to cast aside all their grievances and key into the internal peaceful policy milestone mechanism of our party, for the purpose of peaceful resolution of all the matters that may have arisen in the course of the party activity. Labour Party, forward ever and backward never. Once again, I wish to thank you all for coming, and I must not fail to express my deep appreciation for your continuing support and partnership in the quest and the race to rescue and reposition. So, thank you. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, ma. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much, ma. This is the level of this issue. That is the most